If you're considering buying social media management and analytics software, there are 12 crucial things you need to know before making your decision. With so many options available, it's easy to get overwhelmed, but stay with me as we break down what sets this software apart from the competition and what you should consider before investing. First, one of the biggest advantages is its ease of use. Unlike some competitors, which have steep learning curves, this software is designed with simplicity in mind. It's intuitive and user-friendly, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced social media managers. But how well does it handle the basics? Next thing, it's worth noting the platform's automation features. It allows you to schedule posts, automate responses, and manage multiple accounts seamlessly. However, compared to others in the market, its automation options could use some improvement. Some competitors offer more advanced AI-driven automation, making the process even smoother and more efficient. If you're looking for something more robust, it's something to keep in mind. The third thing to consider is its analytics capabilities. This software offers a solid set of analytics, but in comparison to others, it lacks depth in reporting. Competitors like Sprout Social or Hootsuite give you deeper insights into engagement, ROI, and other performance metrics. For more in-depth reporting, this may not be your best option. The fourth thing is its integration options. This software does integrate with major platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, but where it falls short is its integration with other third-party apps and tools. If you rely on niche tools for things like email marketing or customer support, you might face some limitations. Now, if you care about the design of your content, the fifth thing is its content creation tools. It offers basic design templates, but compared to other solutions, it doesn't provide as many customization options. If you're into fine-tuning every aspect of your posts, you may feel a bit restricted here. The sixth thing to be aware of is its mobile app. Some social media managers prefer managing their accounts on the go, and the mobile app does its job, but isn't as smooth or feature-rich as competitors like Buffer or Later. It's functional, but you might feel it's a bit clunky if you're using it frequently. Next thing, you'll want to think about its customer support. While they offer support through chat and email, it's not as responsive as some of the industry leaders. Competitors like Sprout Social and Hootsuite offer 24/7 support, which is a key differentiator if you're managing time-sensitive campaigns. The eighth thing is pricing. This software is fairly priced compared to the competition, but the cost can add up if you need premium features like additional user accounts or advanced analytics. You may find more value with competitors offering these features at a similar price point. The ninth thing you should know is its scalability. This tool works well for small to medium-sized businesses, but struggles to keep up with the needs of larger enterprises. If you're planning to scale your business, you might want to consider more enterprise-focused solutions like AgriPulse. The 10th thing is security. This software follows industry standards for data protection, but you'll want to double-check whether they meet the specific compliance needs you might have, especially if you're handling sensitive client data. Next thing is how it compares when it comes to cross-platform management. It's decent, but if you're managing a wider variety of platforms, you may find it lacking compared to platforms like Hootsuite that excel in multi-platform management and syncing. The 12th and final thing you need to know is its reputation. While it's well reviewed for its ease of use, some users have mentioned frustrations with its customer service and limited features. If you're looking for a solution that offers exceptional service and a broader toolset, it's worth exploring alternatives. Overall, it's a solid option for businesses just starting with social media management or those who need a basic solution. However, if you want a better all-around option, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.